Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the app is current and you're signed into the correct Google account. Once done, allow Drive access to files, camera, and photos so uploads and scans work, without them scanning and saving fail. Next, check storage at the top of the app so you know if you need to free space or buy more. Tap the Drive icon to open your root folder. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi for large uploads and proceed to create your first folder. You'll now add content and organize it logically. Tap the plus button to upload photos or files, or choose Scan to capture multi-page documents with automatic edge detection. Once files are in Drive, press and hold a file to reveal Move and Star options. Create folders and drag or move items to keep things tidy. Make important files available offline by selecting More Available Offline, which caches them to your iPhone. Finally, to finish, share and secure your files. Select a file, tap Share, enter emails, and choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor so recipients get appropriate access. Make sure background app refresh and Wi-Fi are enabled if you want uploads to continue when the app is backgrounded. For final sync, pull down in the file list to refresh. If items won't upload, toggle background app refresh, restart the app, or sign out and sign in again. This usually resolves stuck uploads and permission hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.